Hi, my name is Randy Shear, and I'm a technical curriculum developer here at Jitterbit. And I'm glad you could join me as I walk through the setup process for the Workday Salesforce Employee Onboarding Offboarding process template. First, I want to explain what a process template is. The Cloud Studio process templates are a group of pre-built integration use cases that accelerate the execution of a specific business process using numerous objects across multiple applications or systems. Process templates are designed to reduce the time to deployment by 50 to 80% and can be self-implemented, delivered by Jitterbit Professional Services, or delivered by an implementation partner. For access to a process template, contact your Customer Success Manager. The Workday Salesforce Employee Onboarding Offboarding process template helps a business to have real-time visibility into employee onboarding and offboarding. It also provides faster time to value with a pre-packaged onboarding, offboarding, as well as boosts employee productivity and satisfaction, which improves employee retention. Now that we know a little bit more about this process template, I'm going to quickly show you how to set it up. So I'll begin by installing the process template. I'll log into the Jitterbit Harmony portal and open Cloud Studio. I'll click on Import and then click Browse to find the JSON file I want to import. When importing my JSON file, I will select my proper environment because Jitterbit is capable of having multiple environments. I will also include success and failure emails and include schedules. After importing the project opens automatically. This project has its own independent set of variables. To set the values of these variables, I will go to the project variables list by clicking the action menu icon, which are the three dots at the top of the project pane. I will then select Project Variables from the drop-down menu. Then set or modify the values as appropriate. When I'm done entering the appropriate values, I will click the X at the top, which will take me back to the project. There is a list of variables that need to be changed in the supporting documentation guide. With the appropriate variable settings applied, I click the X at the top, which took me back to the project. Prior to running any of the project's operations, I need to open each of the configured connections, both Workday and Salesforce, and test the connections to confirm that the supplied credentials work with each endpoint. First, I will click on Workday to see if the connection is successful. To do this, I'll double-click on the Workday connector and scroll down to the bottom where I see a button called Test. When that button is clicked, it will take all the variable settings I used in the last step to see if there is a successful connection to my specific Workday connector. If it was successful, I will see a green message saying Connection Success. If it was not successful, I will get an error message. I see that my connector was set up correctly, so I will click on the X at the top and do the same thing for the Salesforce connector. After testing the endpoint connections, I can now deploy and run my project. If you have any questions, please check out the information located at Success Central by going to success.jitterbit.com.